Hello. How are you? So today I will show you how to set up a header for the entire website using Elementor. So let's go to the dashboard and navigate to the template after the Elementor menu and click on Save Template. So we need to click on Add New, and from the Select menu select header and give it a name. I will call it as header. So press on the create template. As I will show you how to set up a header, so I will not design it today. I will just choose a pre-made one. In the Elementor Pro, there is a lot of pre-made design for header, footer, and page, and a lot of blocks. So you can easily choose on and modify it, or you can design it as you want. So I will choose this one. So click insert. Okay, so instead of image, I will use the site title text. Okay, so give it a simple design. Nice. Okay, so the header is ready, header design is ready. So this is the most tricky part of this tutorial. So we need to set this header for the entire site. Okay, so let's click on the little up arrow, which is save option, you can see, and click on display condition. So this is the place where we will set up the condition for this header. So click on add condition. So as I need to set this up for the entire website, so I will select the entire site, or you can select archives and singular for archive page and single page. So select entire page and click on save and close. So it's done. Let's reload this page. Boom. So this is the header we set up. So I used Elementor Pro to set this, but there is a free plugin, free add-on for the Elementor basically, where you can set up header and footer only, which is a good alternative if you don't want to use the Elementor Pro. But if you use the Elementor Pro, you will not just able to set up header and footer, also you will able to set up template for single page, single post, archive, blogs, means everything, every possible template you need. So that's great. Also there is a lot of pre-made template which you can use to build your own website and modify it, whatever you need. So who don't have the Elementor Pro, you can buy it. To buy it, buy it, you can use my affiliate link, which is given in the video description. So Elementor will share a small amount of profit with me. Also, if you have any question, don't forget to comment down below. So I will answer your question. I will basically I will I would love to reply. Don't forget to like, share, and if you don't like, you can dislike it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.